Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how you can integrate Gumroad with Appsero for managing and licensing your WordPress plugins. Firstly, make sure you have an account with Gumroad. You need it so you can get the credentials for the integration. You can now start adding your own plugins. Click on Add New to add a plugin or a theme. Then choose whether the plugin is a premium or a free plugin. If you're selling your plugin, then choose Premium. Set the basic information of your plugin. We are speeding up this process. When you're done, click on Next to proceed. We recommend using Appsero as your licensing, so hit Yes. Choose Gumroad as your marketplace. Let's connect to the Gumroad account. Check the box that says I have my Gumroad access token ready. To find the token, click on here, which is a hyperlink that will directly take you to your Gumroad account. Then go to Settings and click on Advanced. Scroll down and set the name of the application and the URI of your site before clicking on Create Application. Gumroad will provide the application ID and application secret. For generating the access token, click on Generate Access Key button. Click on Update Application to save your settings. Copy the access token and paste it into your Appsero dashboard. Now select the option that says I have my products ready at Gumroad. Copy the webhook URL, then go to Advanced of your Gumroad account and paste it into the empty box for ping. Don't forget to update your account settings. Check the box to confirm the update for the webhook and click Next. You now have to set a price for your plugin. Don't forget to set the exact price as you have set in Gumroad, otherwise you will not get the real data or similar information in both Gumroad and Appsero. Hit Submit to proceed. Now select your store and your project. In the final step, you can install the plugin manually or through a composer. We chose to install through a composer. Hit Next to proceed. Then click on Done and you are all set. This is the page you will be greeted with. If you want Appsero to collect analytical data on your plugin's performance, then make sure you integrate the Appsero SDK. We have a video on how this is done, so be sure to check the link in the description box below. We also have another detailed video on how to add plugins to Appsero. The link for this is also below. For more video on using Appsero to manage, license, and deploy your WordPress plugins for your users, be sure to check out Appsero or email us for more information.